I gotta find a warm shelter or end up a frostbitten heap of humanity. There's nothing better than sitting cozy, comfy in front of an open fire.
Hey, what's going on back there?
What's the tea, girl?
You can't mess around in a mailbox like that. You're stuck against the law.
Who and just what do you think you are?
Can't you get an eyeful of what I'm wearing?
A statement in bad fashion?
Not just any brand of bad fashion, my fine, small, intruding, fur-bearing mammal, but an official, government-issued uniform of distinctive authority, including a specially sized hat with my name on it. It's my duty to stop postal lawbusters like you at all times. So haul your drippy carcass out of there or I'll boot you out.
I'm not feeling at all well. Achoo! I got a leaky lung. Please don't toss this frail, sick old body into the freezing cold snow. It'll be death for me.
Sorry, homeboy, but you got to go. My poster pride is being destroyed.
Don't go there. Move me. I'm staying put. So go play post office elsewhere with your old funky self.
Fine, but you're in a lot of trouble, fella. If you don't get out this very second,
Reach in and grab me. Let me go. Melt this for me, will you, honey? Girl, you are too up from the floor up. You know, your breath is kicking. Your breath's so bad, we need to glue a peppermint to your bottom lip. Stop! Hold it! Seize! De-seize! Look, there he is! Quick! Cock him with this brick! What a gorgeous work of art! In the most perfect spot, too! The trash!
Everybody's a comedian in this town.
than sitting cozy and warm in front of a fire. Oh, you poor frozen lost soul. Well, even I got a soft heart. Come in with me. Nice, huh?
It's fine. It's fine. It's a bit drafty, though.